I am horrified by the idea that we have compromised through a secret agreement the territory, the sovereignty, and the sovereign rights of the Philippines.
Nasindak o nabigla si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa umano'y gentleman's agreement ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa China. Ang nasabing kasunduan ay may kinalaman umano sa BRP Sierra Madre na nakaistasyon sa Ayungin Shoal na bahagi ng pinagtatalunang teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Sa ambush interview kanina, sinabi ni PBBM na ikinagulat niya ang nasabing secret agreement. Wala rin umanong record ang kasalukuyang administrasyon tungkol dito.
It turns out we don't know. It is a secret agreement. We don't know anything about it. There is no documentation. There is no record. There is no. We were not briefed when